Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
What's up, guys? Here we have a 2013 Cadillac SRX we're going to be working on. If you need parts for your vehicle, check out 1aauto.com. We're going to pop the hood. To pop the hood, there is a, right next to the kick panel, right here, there's a little lever with a hood. Just pull that lever. To release the safety, there's a little lever right here. You're going to push it towards the driver's side, lift it up. I'm going to check and see if this master cylinder is leaking in this Cadillac SRX. The reason why I'm questioning it is the brake fluid is not up to the max. This vehicle has brand new brake pads on it. These master cylinders are known to leak, so this is one way you can check to see if it's leaking into the brake booster. I'm going to grab this brake booster sensor and just wiggle it out. You'll hear a little bit of a vacuum sound when you're pulling it out. Be careful not to break this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take a little tie wrap and I'm going to stick it in here. Just fish it to the bottom of where the brake booster is. If you had a borescope or some kind of scope that you could slide it in there so you could see, then you would know. And I'll just pull this tie wrap out. I'm going to look at the bottom. And it appears to be dry, so this does not appear to be leaking. Now we're going to reinstall this brake booster sensor. Slide that right back in. Even though our brake fluid is right in between the min and the max, we are going to top it off a little bit. Pull the cap off. We're going to use the appropriate .3 brake fluid. If you spill it, be sure to clean it right off and make sure you do not get it on the paint because it will ruin your paint. We'll just top it off to right about there. So it's right up to the max line. We'll reinstall the cap, line that up, and secure it down.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.